Let's talk prices. You can find regular stylus for $1 on anywhere, literally anywhere, like on a dollar stores, Best Buy, Amazon, or maybe gas station in the middle of nowhere.
So this, just like a regular plastic pen, it's very light, maybe too light, feels more like a toy. But hey, check this out. Portability and mobility definitely wins. Just put it in your pocket and go.
On the other hand, Logitech Crayon definitely feels more premium. It's metal and very good to feel. It's heavier and solid. But keep that in your mind, we have to charge Crayon.
While the tip of a regular stylus is round and soft, the Logitech stylus is like a sharp pencil.
When you write with this regular stylus, you don't feel like you're writing because the tip is soft and wiggly. It feels more like you are poking the screen.
Is it just me, or the speed between the pens are the same? This stylus can be used with any touchscreen device. But the Logitech only compatible with Apple iPads. No other device can work with Crayon. Then why the Crayon is way more expensive? It continues to detect your hands when you place them on the screen while using a regular pen. But when the iPad detects the Logitech pen, it does not detect your hands, so it feels like a real pen.